Ever wondered about the incredible benefits of adding turkey breast to your diet? Today, we'll reveal 17 compelling reasons why turkey breast should be a dietary essential. From fostering muscle growth to enhancing heart health, turkey breast is a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you're into fitness or just aiming for a healthier life, this video is a must-watch. We'll explore science-backed advantages, mouth-watering recipes, and cooking tips that'll get you excited to cook up some turkey goodness. Let's start with number 1, high in lean protein. Turkey breast is a powerhouse of lean protein, making it a top choice for fitness enthusiasts. Protein isn't just about building muscle, it's the cornerstone of overall health. It's essential for repairing and maintaining tissues, and it even plays a crucial role in the fundamental functions of your body. So, whether you're hitting the gym or just aiming for a healthier lifestyle, this protein-packed option can help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Next up, at number 2, promotes weight management. Turkey breast is your secret weapon in the battle of the bulge. With its high protein composition, it acts as a satiety sentinel, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. This means you're less likely to overindulge, making it a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, turkey breast has got your back. Number 3 brings us to provides essential amino acids. Turkey breast is like a one-stop shop for your body's amino acid needs. It's packed with all the essential amino acids, acting as a complete toolkit for your body. These amino acids are the building blocks necessary for creating enzymes, hormones, and tissues, ensuring that your biological machinery functions seamlessly. So, think of turkey breast as the vital ingredient that keeps your body running like a well-oiled machine. 4. Supports healthy metabolism. Turkey breast is like a turbocharger for your metabolism. Packed with protein, it acts as your metabolism's fuel additive, revving up your calorie-burning engine. This means you'll torch more calories and have sustained energy levels throughout the day. So, whether you're an early riser or a night owl, turkey breast keeps your vitality levels high from sunrise to sunset. Next up, we have number 5, boosts immune system function. Imagine turkey breast as your body's defense fort. Loaded with immune-boosting nutrients such as zinc and selenium, it serves as a powerful shield, strengthening your immune system to protect your body from potential threats. So, whether it's flu season or you simply want to stay in the best of health, turkey breast has your back, building a fortress against illness. 6. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Think of turkey breast as your body's blood sugar guardian. It plays a vital role in slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This, in turn, helps to maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of energy crashes, and even conditions like diabetes. So, whether you're looking to keep your energy steady or manage your blood sugar, turkey breast is your go-to choice. Now, let's explore number 7, supporting heart health. Turkey breast is like a best friend to your heart. With its low saturated fat content and a wealth of heart-friendly nutrients like potassium, it becomes your heart's confidant. This combination paves the way for cardiovascular wellness and reduces the risk of heart disease. So, if you're looking to keep your ticker in top shape, turkey breast is a delicious way to do it. 8. Low in saturated fat. Turkey breast is the virtuous choice for a healthy heart. Unlike other meat sources loaded with artery-clogging saturated fats, turkey breast is the beacon of lean protein. By opting for turkey breast, you're promoting a healthier ticker and making a smart choice for your overall well-being. So, if you're looking for a heart-healthy option, turkey breast is the way to go. Liking this video so far? Before we move on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health information and tips for leading a healthier life. Let's delve into number 9, rich in vitamins and minerals. Turkey breast is like a treasure trove of essential micronutrients. It's bursting with vital B vitamins, phosphorus, and selenium, making it a powerhouse of essential tools for your body. These micronutrients ensure that your body can perform its daily tasks with precision and finesse, keeping you in top form for whatever life throws your way. Now, moving on to number 10, supports healthy brain function. Think of turkey breast as your brain's best friend. Packed with amino acids like tryptophan, it's the precursor to the feel-good neurotransmitter serotonin. This contributes to a positive mood and optimal brain function. So, whether you're looking to boost your mood or enhance your cognitive abilities, turkey breast can be your trusted companion on your journey to better brain health. 11. Aids in healthy digestion. Turkey breast is like your digestive system's best friend. Its dietary fiber content ensures a smooth journey through your digestive tract, helping to prevent discomfort and aiding in nutrient absorption. So, whether you're seeking better digestion or just overall gut health, turkey breast is here to make sure your system runs like a well-oiled machine. Now, let's dive into number 12. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Turkey breast is your secret beauty enhancer. Enriched with essential nutrients like vitamin B6 and niacin, it's like a nourishing spa treatment for your skin and a luxurious hair mask. These nutrients bestow radiance from within, making your skin and hair healthier and more vibrant. So, if you're looking to enhance your natural beauty, turkey breast is a delicious way to do it. 13. Supports bone health. Turkey breast is your bone's best guardian. Packed with calcium, phosphorus, and protein, it acts as the architectural framework that maintains the integrity of your skeletal structure. This ensures you stand strong and resilient, with a solid foundation for a healthy, active life. So, if you're looking to keep your bones in top condition, turkey breast is a wise choice. Now, on to number 14. Helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Turkey breast is like a maestro for your blood pressure. With its rich potassium content, it acts as a conductor, balancing sodium levels and orchestrating the harmony of your blood pressure. This not only keeps your cardiovascular system in sync, but also helps prevent hypertension. So, if you're looking to keep your blood pressure in check, turkey breast is here to lead the way. 15. Provides sustained energy levels. Turkey breast is like your personal energy reservoir. Its steady supply of protein ensures your energy levels remain constant throughout the day. This means no more midday slumps or productivity dips. Whether you're tackling a busy workday or an active lifestyle, turkey breast keeps you energized and ready for whatever comes your way. Number 16. Supports a healthy nervous system. Turkey breast is your nervous system's wise mentor. Loaded with essential B vitamins, it acts like a personalized tutor, nurturing nerve function, cognitive well-being, and efficient communication within your body. So, if you're aiming to maintain a sharp mind and a healthy nervous system, turkey breast is your go-to guide for achieving these goals. And finally, at number 17, helps maintain a healthy body composition. Turkey breast is like your personal body sculptor. With its low-fat content and high protein quotient, it acts like a skilled artist, chiseling away unwanted fat while fortifying your muscles. This results in an improved body composition, helping you achieve your fitness goals and maintain a healthier, more sculpted physique. So, whether you're looking to shed some pounds or build muscle, turkey breast is here to help you craft your ideal body. There you have it, the powerhouse of health benefits that turkey breast brings to your table. Every bite is an investment in your well-being. So, let's embark on this journey together towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on more enlightening revelations. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join the community. Your health journey is our priority. Stay healthy, stay fabulous. Thanks for watching.